Yay! I did find one impressive feature about the new Sony Xperia, personally for me, is the 4K HDR recording capabilities. So this is called dynamic vibration system.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Is sort of a fully immersive audio experience on your device. So when you're listening to music or watching a movie or something, the device itself vibrates during those times. Now, I'm not totally sold on this technology just because I don't get it. I mean, I think I want my phone to be a little bit more discreet. I'm not looking for a fully immersive experience on such a little screen. And the vibration, it's not haptic, right? It's not haptic technology, it's just vibration. So it almost feels like being in a car where the bass is a little bit too loud and everything's just vibrating around you. To me, I would turn this feature off, but maybe to some people, they would find this sort of immersive audio experience interesting. Wow, that's scary. 2 words, no thanks. It's supposed to be a 3D selfie, but they have a stand where someone has to do the rendering for you because it takes a couple tries and you can't even do it by yourself. But did you see what I look like on screen? One eye open, one eye closed. I mean, I look half dead, half alive. I'm sorry, it's just not the most flattering. And Sony, I appreciate where you're going. I'm just not a fan. So first we tested out the dynamic vibration system. Then we tested out the 3D selfie rendering. Ugh. But I'm hoping there is something to save this new Xperia here. Maybe the camera, you know, is really good quality. There's got to be something. Yay! I did find one impressive feature about the new Sony Xperia, personally for me, is the 4K HDR recording capabilities of the camera. So we compared it with the iPhone X and they're very similar in quality in terms of contrast and how clear it is, how vibrant the colors are. The only sort of issue is that it takes up 25% more space than a standard 4K image. So it does take up more memory, and so you probably need a bigger phone, and that's all right, that's okay. So impressive feature, I'm happy about that.